Hello there! In this lesson, we will learn to talk about people with the help of simple present. I'm Luisa. I live in Izmir. I speak Russian, English, and a little Turkish. This is Anna. She lives in Madrid. She speaks Spanish.
I live. I speak. She lives. She speaks is simple present. We say I live, you live, we live, they live. But she lives, he lives, it lives. With he, she, it, use verb plus s or es. I speak Russian. You speak English. She speaks Spanish. He speaks Italian. Add es after s, ch, sh, and x. Kiss, kisses. She kisses her child every day. Watch, watches. He watches TV. Wash, washes. He washes his hands. Fix, fixes. He fixes computers. After consonants, y changes into ies. Cry, cries. The baby cries a lot. Study, studies. This girl studies a lot. After vowels, write y plus s. Enjoy, enjoys. She enjoys parties. Pay, pays. He pays bills. For he, she, it, have changes into has. I have a camera. She has a camera. Go changes into goes. We go to school. He goes to school. Do changes into does. You do homework. He does homework.
We use frequency adverbs in simple present. They show how often we do things.
Look at this table. It shows how often John, Mark, Pam, Jenny, Ken, and Jim drink tea with breakfast. John drinks tea from Monday to Sunday. So John always drinks tea with breakfast. Mark drinks tea from Tuesday to Sunday, 6 days a week. So Mark usually drinks tea with breakfast. Pam drinks tea from Thursday to Sunday. So Pam often drinks tea with breakfast. Jenny drinks tea from Friday to Sunday, 3 days a week. So Jenny sometimes drinks tea with breakfast. Ken drinks tea on Sunday. So Ken seldom drinks tea with breakfast. Jim never drinks tea with breakfast. Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, rarely, and never are frequency adverbs. They come between the subject and the simple present verb. For example, Jim never drinks tea with breakfast. Jim is the subject, drinks is the verb, and never is between Jim and drinks.
Then Mom and Dad always leave me and go off skiing someplace. She never sleeps.
In simple present, you can use other frequency phrases. Every day, every week, every month, every Thursday, etc. For example, I go to the cinema every weekend. We speak Russian every day. Remember, these phrases come at the end of a sentence. I take a bus every morning, not I every morning take a bus.
You invite him to Christmas dinner every year, and every year he's too busy to come.
People die every day, Frankie.
Look at this table. Liz takes a bus on Monday, so Liz takes a bus once a week. Mark takes a bus on Monday and Tuesday, so Mark takes a bus twice a week. John takes a bus on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, so John takes a bus 3 times a week. Kim takes a bus 4 times a week, and Ted takes a bus 5 times a week. These phrases are also at the end of a sentence. Ted takes a bus 5 times a week, not Ted 5 times a week takes a bus. You can also say once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, a day, a week, a month, a year, etc. For example, I check my email once a day. She takes her medicine twice a day.
Let's now watch some more examples of simple present.
Viv goes dancing twice a week.
He eats 3 times a day.
That is all for today. See you in the next video.